Hey plumbers, job site math isn't school stuff. It's your shield against rework and lost profits. A wrong run length or ignored slope turns small errors into field disasters like bad drainage or extra fittings. Crews don't care if it's from a calculator or app, results matter. Master manual checks to verify any bid. Even in 2026, knowing drop per foot or volume keeps you ahead. AI tools like Exayard automate these across full plan sets for faster accuracy. Units trip everyone up, mix inches, feet, decimals, and your takeoffs toast. Stick to one system. Convert 12 feet 6 inches to 12.5 decimal feet for clean math. For volumes, area is pi times radius squared. About 3.14 by 4 inches radius gives 50 square inches. Times length, divide cubic inches by 231 for gallons. Like 1809 cubic inches is roughly 7.8 gallons. Sanity check by hand. Tools like Exayard handle conversions flawlessly at project scale. Pipe slope saves installs. Drop equals runtimes. Slope, like 34 feet, at 1/8 inch per foot, drops 4.3 inches. Key for hangers and framing fits. Offsets? For 45 degrees, travel is offset times 1.414. 6 inches needs 8.5 inches travel. Verify clearance, angles, elevations before cutting. This scales poorly manually across plans, but keeps routes buildable. AI estimating tools like Exayard apply these rules consistently for every branch. Size systems write with fixture units, not guesses. Count fixtures per code. Sinks, toilets, assign units, total for branch or building, then table lookup pipe size. Watch code switches like IPC versus UPC, imperial versus metric. Check counts, basis, consistency for real demand. Don't rush. One missed drain changes everything. This system thinking wins bids. Tools like Exayard tally fixtures automatically from drawings. Takeoffs follow install. Trace waste first, add runs, fittings, offsets, apply slope, confirm buildable. Don't use flat plan lengths, include drop effects. Split by size, material. Errors like skipping travel kill margins. Manual teaches judgment, but repetition across sheets invites misses. Nail quantities for orderable lists. AI tools like Exayard detect pipes, count fixtures, generate takeoffs fast, review with your know-how.